May 2021, paper 2, time zone 1. You are allowed to use a calculator, maximum mark 5. Consider the expansion of 3 plus x square bracket raised to n plus 1 where n belongs to positive integer. Given that the coefficient of x raised to 4 is 2, 0, 4, 1, 2, find the value of n. We don't know n, but raised to power of 3 plus x square is not n, it is a n plus 1. We need to find out basic value of n. So here a is 3, b is x square, n is my n plus 1. I am using a formula NCR, my n is n plus 1, so n plus 1, a is 3, b is x square. Now which one I need to choose? So here they want x raised to 4. Right now we have x raised to 2. So that means the power of has to increase 2 by 2. B is getting 2, that means your R is 2. And this minus this gives you the power of first. So n plus 1 minus 2, that goes with the power of 3. N plus 1 C 2 is remain as it is. 3 will remain as it is. N plus 1 minus 2 is n minus 1. And x raised to 2 raised to 2 is x raised to 4. What is given? The coefficient of x raised to 4 is 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. This is your x raised to 4. So coefficient is this part. So I am using that equal to 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. I am now using a NCR formula. NCR formula says that n factorial, that is n plus 1 factorial, over r factorial, that is 2 factorial, times n plus 1 minus 2, that is n minus 1 factorial. 3 raised to n minus 1 as it is. Now n plus 1 factorial over 2 factorial into n minus 1 factorial, 3 raised to n minus 1 is 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. This will remain as it is. The bigger one is n plus 1, smaller one is n minus 1. I am converting n plus 1 into n minus 1 as n plus 1. One term is reduced, becomes n. One term is reduced, that is n minus 1. N minus 1 factorial, why I am stopping here? Because denominator is same, n minus 1 factorial. Cancel out. So you are left with n times n plus 1 upon 2 times 3 raised to n minus 1 is equal to 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. Now furthermore, you cannot solve this. So what you will do, you use your GDC, type this full thing on the left hand side of equal to in y1 of graph. Type this full thing, that is 2, 0, 4, 1, 2 in y2 of the graph. Plot the graph. Now understand, this is the binomial expansion problem. Your n cannot be negative. N is your x. So your x minima has to be 0. X maximum, we don't know. So let's say consider maximum is 10. Y minima has to be 0 because we don't see a negative value over here. And y maxima, take the value which is greater than this. So 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. So you can take y maxima value is say 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. 5-digit value. Plot the graph. You will get this graph like this. Sketch the graph as it is. Now this is a GDC directly on a calculator on iPad. So you can see that, but you have to sketch the graph. It cannot be accurate, but it has to be proper. So this is red line is basically your right hand side 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. Your blue curve is your left hand side, that is n into n plus 1 upon 2 times 3 raised to n minus 1. They are intersecting that point. Write down that point of intersection 7, 2, 0, 4, 1, 2. We are interested in n. N is what your x is what your 7. So n is equal to 7. Now you have to be very careful. You have to label the graph. This, and this point of intersection. We are interested in n, that is my x. So n is my 7. So write down by saying n is equal to 7. Thank you.